This is the first trade that I did today. It was Nalco. Of course, Nalco was having a big breakdown. Let's put the daily chart also in place so that it's clear what we are talking about. So we can see that Nalco had made a bearish sash candle and then it capped down with the support at 198 odd. So it was a good short to attempt. So the trade was done based on this bullish engulfing over here. Perfect bullish engulfing, perfect bullish Maraboso. And then it gave a pullback and then went crossed 3.6 again, went long with 3.3, 30 peso stop loss and came out at 5.8. That was a very, very low risk trade and with high success chance as well. And 5.8. So 1:7 risk reward. This is the first trade that I did today. This is my second trade of the day, Sona Comms. On the right hand side we have a daily chart, on the left hand side we have a 15-minute chart. So why I looked at Sona Comms is that it opened with a big gap down and yesterday tried to make a bullish candle, but the bears had pushed the price down towards close. So I expected some action around this. However, the first candle was a spoil spot because it just made a huge candle about 45 rupees length. Sorry, that is yesterday's. And then what it did, yesterday's first candle did was it created a support level there. And this, as you can see, was kept by the market. So today's trade, what I did was, can see it started and hit a resistance of yesterday's intermediate low and made a hangman, inverted hammer or a shooting star, a bearish engulfing and a shooting star. So we went short here. Right. And we covered some at so shifted around 517 with 519 as stop loss, and we covered some around this 50% at the support level, which we knew that it's a good support. And then the stock just retraced as expected and came down again, broke that support and closed below it. Now by the looks of it, we can see that this is potentially a fake candle. So immediately moved our stock to here 512 and it was taken out, and in the end stock started moving up. So this had a 1:3 risk reward, and coupled with the first trade, these two trades made really good profit for me. So this is my trade in Nifty today. So Nifty opened the huge gap down, right? And then tried to go up, made a bearish engulfing, followed by a shooting star, double confirmation, right? So for a person like me who is very negative about Nifty till 22,768, 22,618, this is a very good opportunity to short. And since it was a huge range candle, my target was around 22,848 or something. I got 22,843 with a risk reward of 1:2.6, which is good enough. So that's the only trade I took to in Nifty. Very easy setup, right? So bearish engulfing followed by shooting star. So very reliable patterns. And don't forget, there was a bearish kicker on the end of the chart. So thank you. If you liked the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much and have a great trading day tomorrow.